so peaceful. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Romani. If you're not sure who I am and you've never seen any of my videos before, make sure you hit the subscribe button. My channel is geared toward business, beauty, health, and empowerment. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to play a Tibetan sound bowl. When I first got this, I got this one from Amazon, and I got this one maybe like 3 months ago, and this is my first singing bowl. This was only about like $45, and it actually came with some crystals as well, so I will drop all of that in the description box below. But it actually came with some crystals, so I feel like it was a pretty good investment, like a singing bowl and crystals for like $45. Felt like that was a good little deal. And it also came with this pillow, and I thought that the pillow was really pretty. The bowl sings a little bit better when you do put it on a pillow rather than putting it on my hand or placing it on the carpet or the ground in front of me. But now, since I've been playing for a minute, I do know how to play really good on my hand and stuff too. But I'm just going to show you guys how to do it on the pillow first. You just place it on the pillow. It does come with this stick, not really sure what to call it, so we're just going to call it this stick. One side is wooden and one side is not wooden. A lot of people told me to play with the wooden side, but recently I just found that I like playing with this side better. The reason that I don't like playing with the wooden side is because I know you guys see the designs. It makes this like scratchy sound. I'm gonna do both. You just start going around, and it may take some time to pick up sound, but just be patient. Y'all heard that? That little ringing because of the design. The faster you go, the louder it will be. So that is how you play. I hate playing with the wooden side because you can't even really get the feel of it. But the faster you go, the louder it will be. The slower you go, the lower it will be. I just did it starting like this, but you can also, you can ding it, and that will make it start singing a little bit faster. Now let's try it with the actual side. So. There's no noise. Hear how pretty that sounds? To get your sound bowl to stop singing, just do that and it'll stop. And as I did with the wooden side, you can also And that is how you play your singing bowl or your sound bowl. These are good for music healing or sound therapy or sound healing, whatever you want to call it, but it'll just make you feel very calm. I like to play mine with Janae Aiko's album Chilambo. If you guys buy this singing bowl, I definitely recommend that because that is just a really great just like therapy vibe. Or therapeutic vibe. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. But that is really it. And just make sure your hands just go in a circular motion. Depending on the size of your bowl, you'll know the type of hand movements that you need to make. Because if this was a bigger bowl, I would probably, have to do that. But since it's a smaller bowl, I have to do that. So you'll figure out how to do your hand motions and everything like that. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at XO_Romani, and I will see you guys in my next video.